Hey everyone, I wanted to go over how to do your correction sheet, which is a learning strategy that I learned a long time ago when I first started teaching. And I have found it to be very effective to help students clean up their mechanical and grammatical errors. You're not going to do content type feedback that I give to you. So if I tell you you need more analysis, or if I tell you you need better details, that's not what you're going to be doing on this correction sheet. The correction sheet is for types of things like noun-verb agreement, punctuation, things of that sort. So on my website there are two documents, Scan 47 and Scan 48. This is one of them. This is the cheat sheet for correction sheets. It tells you what my notation in the margin is going to be and what the rule is, so you need that. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the number and you're going to give me the name of the error. Then you're going to give me the rule. Then you're going to give me the corrected sentence. For example, let's say the name of the error is a comma. You've missed a comma somewhere. You're going to tell me why you need that comma. Let's say it's for an introduction or an introductory element. And then you're going to give me the correct sentence, the sentence written correctly. That's all you need. Let's say that you have more than one error in the same sentence. You can do that in the same number. You don't have to write the sentence 2 or 3 times. But you need to make sure that the name of the error and the rules are in the same order. So a semicolon is for, one of the reasons is for 2 independent clauses with no conjunction. And then you have to give me the correct sentence. It's a good idea for you to highlight what it is or put in a different color ink what it is that you are correcting so I can see it. This is especially true if you have 2 of the same errors in the same sentence. So for example, let's say this sentence had another comma. Now you have 2 commas. If you don't highlight the one that you have corrected, that I won't know, and you won't get credit for that. Please make sure that you follow the guidelines that I have on the module where it explains how to do the correction sheet. You need to make sure that you give me the whole sentence. You have to have the rule. That's paramount to the learning that's supposed to be going on here. You have to have the correct rule. But please make sure that you understand this is not a test or a quiz or a gotcha. If you have something you don't know what the rule is, then email me and I'm happy to explain the rule to you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.